Hi guys, welcome back, and we are going to discuss about the video series of data brick with Pyspark. So struggling with the soil data. So we want to find out data brick and how it can be rescue for you. So learn how to unify your data and analytics in the video series. So today's topic is about what is Pyspark, what is data brick. Okay. So Databricks is a leading cloud-based platform designed especially for data science, not and artificial intelligence applications as well as data engineering purposes. It provides a unified environment for data engineering, data warehouse, machine learning, and collaborative data science, streamlining the entire data science lifecycle of the cloud. Okay. So key features of data. Databricks enables the need for separate tool for each step in the data science workflow. It offers tools for data ingestion, storage, processing, analysis, and model deployment, all within a single platform. Cloud-based architecture. Databricks leverages the power of cloud-based computing, allowing you to scale resource up or down as needed and eliminating the need for managing your own hardware infrastructure. Apache Spark integration. Databricks is built on top of Apache Spark, a powerful open source framework for distributed data processing. This gives you access to Spark capability for Spark fast and efficient processing of large data sets. Collaboration feature. Databricks facilitates seamless collaboration among the data science analysts and data engineers. It provides feature notebook workspace and version control to ensure everyone is working on the same version of data and models. Machine learning service. Databricks integrates with popular machine learning libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. This enables you to build, train, deploy, and manage machine learning models efficiently. Data warehouse and lakes. Databricks allow you to build and manage data warehouse and lakes on the cloud. This helps you store both structured and unstructured data for analysis. Security and governance. Databricks prioritizes data security and governance. It offers feature like role-based access control and data encryption to ensure the security of your data. Use case of database. So guys, what is the major use case in the current real-time world that enterprises work, right? So you want to understand how the data can be utilized for the companies who are majorly using this data. Okay, big data analytics. If this one for big data analytics, analyze large scale data set across various domains like finance, healthcare, retail, and social media. Machine learning development. Build and deploy machine learning models for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and fraud detection. Data warehousing and lakers. Build and manage cloud-based data warehouse and lakers to store and analyze historical and real-time data. When it comes to for real-time analytics, how the data is easy. So analyzing data stream in real time for fraud detection, anonymous analysis and building reactive applications, generating AI. This is the trending one which are major discussion for the AI by using data itself. Like utilizing data for developing and deploying generative AI models set those for text generation or image generation. So this is about what is data brick, what is benefits of data brick, and what is the use case of data. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.